Omelette rolls. Ingredients: eggs 4, black pepper powder, kali mirch powder half teaspoon, turmeric haldi half teaspoon, milk 1 tablespoon, salt as required, carrot, gajar 1 tablespoon finely chopped, onion, pyaz 1 tablespoon finely chopped, green capsicum, hari shimla mirch 1 tablespoon finely chopped, oil as required. Beat 4 whole eggs in a large bowl. Add salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon turmeric, beat to mix. Strain the mixture through a sieve to get a smooth texture. Now add 1 tablespoon chopped onions, 1 tablespoon green capsicum, and 1 tablespoon chopped carrot. Mix well. Apply oil to a non-stick pan. Pour the mixture on the pan to form a thin layer. Tilt the pan so the mixture spreads evenly. Cook till half done. With the help of 2 spoons, gently roll the edge as shown. Keep rolling till you come to the center. Apply oil on the empty side and pull the omelette on that side. Pour the egg mixture on the other side as shown. Keep rolling the other side. Wait till half cooked and then roll. Repeat the same steps till you get your desired size of the roll. Roll is ready. Remove on a plate and let it cool down completely. When the roll cools down, cut into half-inch pieces and serve.